Shibanta na jinglet jungo I Shnong, Mogonrao Community and Rural Development Block, ha khandai trek yong arja option. Umendri rangba ka jalla konrat kisangma, lolik poi ha Shillong Syntung, balit jungo I Kshaid Wahrashi, hagani ka Shnong. Harut kani ka Kshaid, umendri rangba ula Shimbanta lang da batem kaitar, bat ka Kynhun rai tenrai jo ka Syntung Sports and Cultural Club. Umendri rangba maridap kut ka jingtem bat jingrai, ulang bulalong mentau benta jo ngani Kynhun tem, bat penpa bunai sanlak tengkai ki ban thiet iki tertem terput.
So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. Yeah, I'm part of the band now. Yeah. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. This is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good. So I need the name of the band.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.